The traditional male socio-sexual hierarchy is something you're familiar with. It is commonly shown as a pyramid. Alphas, those very self-assured, motivated, and forceful men who are incredibly sociable and thrive on attention, are at the top. The betas are the good men who are less aggressive and more sensitive. Then there are the deltas, the regular people that keep civilization functioning. The gammas follow, who are less popular among other guys and have less success with women. Then there are the omegas, those people who enjoy having fun but are not ambitious, at the pyramid's base. Another kind of guy is the sigma male, who doesn't fit into typical male tropes and is said to be the most uncommon. How can you identify whether you belong to that group? Before we dive into this incredible man's life, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Also, please like this video. Now, let's get started. Number 1, you're independent and dependable. You're incredibly autonomous and self-sufficient for a sigma male. You don't need anyone else to take care of you. You can use your inner resources to overcome obstacles in daily life because you have the capacity for reflection, objectivity, and perception. Simply said, you don't require other people to remind you that you are valuable as a person. And you don't need other people's approval or to look for outside validation of your decisions to feel good about yourself. Number 2, you're at ease by yourself. A sigma male is a lone wolf by nature, content with his alone and unrequitedly seeking friendship. You just don't need to be with other people to be happy or successful if you fall into this category of males, since you have no trouble working alone and on your own. You like it that way so that you may consider your options and take advantage of the inner stillness. You are aware that friends are valuable, but they do not determine who you are or how helpful you are. You are very picky about who enters your social circle, thus it is tiny. Number 3, you are adaptable and flexible. As a sigma male, you embrace change and make the decision to adapt to whatever comes your way, even when it's tough to predict what the future contains. You generally have a fairly adaptable stance on life. You're willing to come up with novel ideas and effortlessly adapt to changed situations rather than allowing change to prevent you from accomplishing what you want. You don't allow the way things are right now to control how your life turns out. Number 4, the sigma way of life. A sigma male has a life unlike everyone else's. They have very certain lifestyles, rituals, and habits, and nobody can make them live any differently. Nothing is worse for a sigma male than a domineering individual. They find it intolerable when someone attempts to alter their way of life. Sigma males act when and how they like. Anybody who attempts to place expectations on a sigma male risks being ejected from the group. Although it may appear that they are being obstinate or self-centered, which they are in some respects, sigma males truly cherish who they are. They are adaptable and receptive to new ideas, but they only alter their behavior when it is truly their desire to do so. Sigma males' fraternity don't care about those around them. They don't alter their lifestyles to improve other people's moods. One of their finest traits is how unwaveringly loyal to themselves they are. Number 5, you are quiet and reflective. Sigma males tend to be quiet and reflective, so you like to take in your surroundings before making a decision. Although you might not be bashful, you tend to listen more than you speak. Your social skills could be a little rusty as a result of this overall reserve, especially when dealing with people who want to talk all the time. You're not the type of person to put your heart on your sleeve. Instead, you keep it tucked up, out of sight. Those who approach you without your permission may encounter cold reserve or even animosity as they make fruitless attempts to enter the sacred space of your thoughts. Number 6, you are guided by your internal compass. A sigma male has no concern for what other people may think. It's not that you purposefully disregard them. Rather, your decisions and morals are guided by your inner compass rather than outside factors like peer pressure. You own your destiny. Well, you may have mentors or role models, but you also understand that no one is perfect, and their method may not always be the best way for you. And this mindset gives you self-assurance in your skills and abilities. Number 7, room to breathe. Sigma males need a lot of personal space. They require a great deal of freedom to pursue their own interests, try out new things, and travel and explore. They must fulfill their innate need to grow and succeed, and they don't want anyone to stop them. Hence, if you're a Sigma male, your life may undergo significant change. You could disappear for days on end or become so engrossed in your hobbies that you lose sight of the outside world. Your pursuit of innovation is one of the strongest aspects of your personality, despite the concerns and doubts of your friends and family. Take all the room you need, and don't allow anyone to block your path. Number 8, people often see you as mysterious and enigmatic. Males create an aura that is beyond anything the normal man has. And if you're a Sigma male, people frequently perceive you as intriguing or mysterious. There's a lot more to you than what first meets the eye. It's not that you hide who you are. Others frequently make the observation that you seem different, as if they can sense your inherent complexity and uniqueness even from a distance. Even strangers could think you're distant and aloof. This is so because your preferences and worldview are distinctive. You decide to march to the beat of your drum rather than heedlessly following trends and fads. Number 9, you can lead without demanding authority. Sigma guys are known for their ability to lead without using force, which is perhaps one of their most distinguishing traits. You always command respect and admiration, whether you are the boss or a subordinate. And the reason for it is that you lead by example rather than by decree. You may work separately from a group while yet being a member of it. Because you do not need to satisfy or pacify others to get approval, you aren't frightened to act independently and speak your mind. Number 10, you are morally gray. Sigma males tend to live on the periphery of society and its laws, thus they don't always fall into the good/bad binary that most people take for granted. This indicates that you frequently question if a rule you see as valid is truly valid, and you aren't afraid to deviate from or even breach that rule. You're less likely to fall into the trap of group thought, where ideas are formed based on what, since you're not worried about fitting in, rather than what you genuinely believe everyone else thinks. In actuality, you're not afraid to challenge social mores and fight against laws that unjustly oppress others. In essence, you challenge conventional wisdom and resist giving in to pressure from outside forces like authority people. Though you might not always be correct, at least you're exercising independent thought. Sigma males are uncommon, distinctive, and well-balanced. The Sigma male, in other words, is at his level. And they are unquestionably the most fascinating type of men due to the combination of their unique qualities. You probably identify as a Sigma male if you see these characteristics in yourself. The socio-sexual hierarchy is just an intellectual construct. It's vital to keep it in mind. It is designed to help in one's improvement of self-awareness, role and dominance hierarchies, and interpersonal relationships. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making more. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thank you for watching.